I am success. I am a good trader. I am a consistently profitable trader. I am a full-time trader. I am consistent. I am profitable. I am confident. I am an abundance thinker. I am a winning trader. I am a positive trader. I am not afraid of drawdowns. I am a risk manager. I am a smart trader. I am a professional trader. I am making my dreams come true every day. I am a disciplined trader. I am an emotionless trader. I am mentally strong. I am not afraid of making losses. I am not prideful of making wins. I am a happy trader. I am always looking for the next best opportunity the market gives me. I am an objective trader. I am a patient trader. I am confident in my skills to read price. I am always improving. I am neutral in the markets. I am a Zen trader. I am in control of my feelings. I am a good money manager. I am good at entering the markets. I am a long-term trader. I am a long-term thinker. I am growing every day. I am learning every day. I am a constant learner. I am growing wiser every day. I am a better trader than I was yesterday. I am an experienced trader. I am a happy trader. I am a happy person. I am confidence. I am relentless. I am willing to pay any price for success. I am greedy when others are fearful. I am fearful when others are greedy. I am a healthy trader. I am a joyous trader. I am a focused trader. I am a reflective trader. I am always improving my trading skills. I am a consistently profitable full-time trader. I am confidence. I am all in on making my dreams come true. I am a loving person. I am always willing to learn. I am the master of my actions. I am always taking action. I am the best version of myself. I am in charge of my life. I am optimistic for the future. I am not afraid of the markets. I am a consistently profitable full-time trader. I am providing a better life for my family and others. I am making lots of money trading. I am putting my money to good use. I am the master of my own thoughts. I am powerful. I am a self-disciplined trader. I am an objective trader. I am getting closer to my trading goals on every win and lose I take. I am a firm believer that every single moment in the market is unique. I am following my trading plan consistently. I am trusting my trading plan. I am not in doubt of my consistent trading skills. I am a highly consistently profitable trader. I am unknown to what the markets will do next. I am fully trusting my trading skills. I am quickly realizing my negative thoughts and habit patterns and deliberately snapping out of them. I am fully trusting my trading system. I am in complete trust in myself. I am in complete trust of all the hard and smart work I put in. I am a tough trader. The markets cannot hurt me. I am only taking high probability setups. I am consistently following my trading rules. I am always using a stop loss. I am always determining my risk before I place my trade. I am always taking profits at predetermined prices. I am aware that all my trade setups will result in profit in the long run. I am in charge of my positive trading psychology. I am not letting losses get to my heart. I am not letting wins get to my head. I am always working towards my goals. I am in the zone while trading. I am making needed sacrifices to obtain my goals. I am a positive believer. I am aware of my self-worth. I am never forcing trades. I am only trading opportunities that the market offers me. I am doing everything for a better future for me and my loved ones. I am very grateful for all that is given to me. I am emotionless on losing trades or streaks. I am emotionless on winning trades or streaks. I am growing wiser on every losing trade. I am growing wiser on every winning trade. I am not judging the outcomes of my trades. I am a believer that everything is happening for my greater good. I am not needing to trade every day. I am friends with the markets. I am aware that the markets are always right. I am getting stronger on every trade. I am getting stronger on every failure. I am getting wiser on every failure. I am consistently protecting my capital. I am consistently following my game plan. I am consistently sticking to my guns. I am consistently pulling the trigger when the time is right. No sooner, no later. I am a successful, high-income earner to provide my family a better life. I am not one to ever quit. I am working any jobs necessary to obtain capital for my trading. I am in tune with my intuitions while I'm trading and in life. I am being tested on my positive and strong character on every trade I take. I am consistently seeing the good in things. I am in control of my ego and keep it out of the way. I am in control of my greed and keep it out of the way. I am constantly learning from my past trades, whether win or lose. I am knowing that every trade I take is unique from any previous trades I have taken. I am an opportunist trader in the markets. I am only in trades that the markets provide me according to my trading edge. I am settling for nothing less than trading success. I am completely entrusting the process. I am no one to judge whether my life is good or bad. It is always the best. I am one step closer to my goals every trade I deliberately make. I am fully entrusted in my trading abilities.
All I do